Mastering the Art of Spaghetti with Clam Sauce, a step-by-step guide. Welcome to our channel, where we unravel the secrets of creating the perfect spaghetti with clam sauce. In this video, we will guide you through each step of the process, from selecting the freshest ingredients to achieving a delightful harmony of flavors. Get ready to impress your taste buds and your guests as we embark on a culinary adventure. Let's dive into the world of mouthwatering spaghetti with clam sauce and learn how to create a dish that will leave everyone craving for more. 1. Gathering fresh ingredients. The foundation of any great dish starts with high-quality ingredients. We will explore the key components, such as fresh clams, aromatic herbs, garlic, olive oil, and perfectly cooked spaghetti. Discover the importance of selecting the finest ingredients and how they contribute to the overall flavor profile. 2. Preparing the clams. Learn the essential techniques for cleaning and prepping fresh clams. We will guide you through the process of removing any sand or grit, ensuring that each clam is pristine and ready to infuse its briny goodness into the sauce. Master the art of handling clams to preserve their natural flavors. 3. Crafting the flavorful sauce. Discover the secrets of creating a tantalizing clam sauce that will elevate your spaghetti to new heights. We will demonstrate the step-by-step process of sautéing garlic, infusing the oil with rich flavors, adding white wine or broth, and coaxing the clams to release their essence. Unleash your inner chef as we explore tips and tricks to achieve the perfect balance of flavors in the sauce. 4. Achieving al dente perfection. The texture of the spaghetti plays a crucial role in the overall dining experience. Learn the art of cooking pasta to perfection, achieving that desirable al dente bite. We will share insider tips on timing, salting the water, and testing the pasta for doneness, ensuring your spaghetti complements the clam sauce beautifully. 5. Plating and garnishing. Presentation is key, and we will show you how to create an enticing visual appeal for your dish. From gracefully twirling the spaghetti to arranging the clams and drizzling the sauce, we'll guide you through the plating process, transforming your creation into a work of art. Discover the artistry of garnishing and adding a final touch that will make your dish visually stunning. 6. Taste and enjoy. The moment of truth has arrived. Sit back, savor the flavors, and witness the magic you have created. We'll provide tasting notes and guide you on how to fully appreciate the delicate balance of the clam sauce and the pasta. Join us in the joy of sharing a delicious meal that will impress your family and friends. Congratulations on mastering the art of preparing the perfect spaghetti with clam sauce. By following our step-by-step guide, you can recreate this delectable dish with confidence and finesse. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary enthusiast, this recipe will surely tantalize your taste buds and satisfy your craving for a portion of exquisite seafood pasta. So grab your apron, fire up the stove, and let's make spaghetti with clam sauce an unforgettable culinary experience. For more like this, like, share, and subscribe.